How's it going? My name is Ben, co-founder of Better Media, and now I'm going to provide a breakdown of arbitrage betting. So arbitrage betting is essentially where you bet on two separate lines, two separate teams in the same game at two separate sports books. Quick example, say you have the Lakers playing the Celtics, you get the Lakers plus 110, you get the Celtics plus 110. You bet $100 on each, no matter what, you are going to be up $10. So arbitrage betting, you bet on the same game, each team at two different sports books, and you find a way to have a profitable window no matter who wins. Now this may seem complicated, but OddsJam has amazing software that makes this easy to make over $1,000 a month with arbitrage betting. So in order to be successful with OddsJam software and arbitrage betting in general, you're gonna have to have accounts set up at multiple sports books in order to find the best opportunities with lines set up in order to have profitable windows. So if we take a look here at the OddsJam website, you will see, guys, that there are a multiple amount of different lines, all for the same games, just at different sports books. The reasoning behind this, when you have sports books, one, everyone has different algorithms, but two, depending on how much action each book gets at certain games, say for example, you have the Lakers and the Celtics, and at FanDuel, the Lakers are getting really heavy action. But at DraftKings, you have the Celtics getting really heavy action. So the lines are going to move based on the amount of money these sports books are getting on specific teams. And in addition to that, I mentioned how they have different algorithms, different systems set up. Sometimes some sports books are faster. If there's an injury report or whatever it might be, big time sharp action. Some books might move their lines faster than the others. And then with that, you're going to create arbitrage situations, which is just based on books not being quick enough on changing the lines. Once you find yourself in a situation where you have two separate sports books where they have pretty nice lines based off of different line movement, different methods, different algorithms, then all you have to do is bet at each sports book, two separate bets, one on each team in the same game, and you're gonna find a profitable window, which no matter what happens, over, under, who covers the spread, who wins the game, your bet is gonna be profitable at one of these books, more so than you lost on the other bet that lost on the other team. The beautiful part about OddsJam is that they present all of this information for you. Let's take a look here at their website, and you guys can see that with their arbitrage tools, they not only provide you the situations, that there are arbitrage situations, and they don't only tell you which sports books you can find these situations at, but then if you click on this little calculator here, you can find out how much you have to bet at which sports book, at which line, in order to get a profitable window. So as you guys can see here, their arbitrage tool provides you the sports books to place the bets, provides you the calculator, and if we go over here and check on the sportsbook website, you will find the exact same line as stated here on OddsJam, because their software is quick and efficient and keeps up with the line movement across all these books, so you don't have to worry about it. So arbitrage betting in general does have some cons. It can be very, very time consuming. You have to go search through a multitude of sports books in order to try and find these opportunities. You're going to be spending hours trying to find lines that you can take advantage of. And then once you finally find a situation that you can take advantage of, then you're going to have to calculate how much you're going to have to bet in order to figure out what your profitable window would be. Whereas here with OddsJam, it takes away of all that issue, all that headache. It does all the research for you. It puts it right there at the touch of your fingertips. All you have to do is be refreshing your OddsJam arbitrage screen. And when you do this, you will see the opportunities you have. You will see which sports books to go to, and you'll see how much to bet. This was once a very complicated process. A lot of people would try to do it, but failed. However, now with OddsJam, just about anyone can get involved, and it's just an amazing opportunity. In general, guys, in order to have an arbitrage opportunity, it's gonna have to be a bet that only has two possible outcomes, like a money line situation where no matter what, one team will win, one team will lose. An over-under, it's either going over or it's going under that total mark. Maybe it's a UFC fight, whether it goes the distance or it doesn't. These are just kind of some situations that you will find arbitrage opportunities. And an easy way to find an arbitrage opportunity is if you can find at two different sports books where each team in the game has a plus money situation. Much like we talked at the very beginning with the Lakers and the Celtics, if you could find it plus 110 at two different sports books, no matter what, when you bet $100, you are going to have $10 profit on whichever team wins and whichever sports book you place that bet where that team wins. Another situation that you can find arbitrage betting scenarios is, say you have the plus odds greater than the minus odds, meaning you have an underdog at one sports book where the odds are so juicy that at the favorite line at the other sports book, it's not too bad of a hit and you're going to have a profitable window. So if you guys have any further questions about how OddsJam uses arbitrage betting and how their software can do wonders for you, go ahead and go to their contact information here. You can send them an email or you can join their Discord, ask some questions, and get the information you need in order to start making over $1,000 a month using their amazing software. If you guys like this concept of arbitrage betting and you are interested in OddsJam, go ahead and check out the next video where I break down how OddsJam Pro makes arbitrage betting so convenient and it can help you guys make over $1,000 a month at the touch of your fingertips. Please check us out on Instagram and Twitch at Better Media. Our Twitch streams provide a never seen before coverage of sports betting using a red zone like format tailored for bettors, giving out free plays and live bets all along with betting coverage. Meanwhile, our Instagram page provides endless content that keeps bettors in the know and overall enhances their sports betting experience. Happy gambling.